Dr. Parul, what are the top 5 medical coding specialties that are currently in demand according to current industry reports and staffing trends?
I'm glad you brought this up because it deserves more attention. Coding has grown so much beyond just assigning diagnosis and procedure codes. Some specialties now sit right at the heart of revenue, risk, and even care planning. So, if you're looking to specialize, these 5 areas I believe are not just high in demand but are deeply impactful. Let's start with the first one, which is home health coding. This field is growing fast, and with an aging population and more people choosing care at home, skill coders are in demand. You will work with the ICD 10, basis assessments, and plan of care. But let me tell you, it's more than just entering codes. It's about understanding how a patient clinical picture can impact their care plan. So, if you enjoy being analytical and working closely with the real world patient condition, this one is for you. Now, from care at home, let's shift to the hospital floor, where coding decisions have a direct impact on inpatient reimbursement and reporting. Let's talk about inpatient DRG coding, which we all know as IP-DRG. This one is the most technical and respected specialties out there. As an IP-DRG coder, you will work with ICD-10 PCS and interpret PO indicators. So here, you're not just reading charts, you're determining how hospitals can get paid. So if you love digging into documentation and solving complex medical puzzle, this one is your domain. Coming in at number 3 is surgery coding. This is a high stake, high revenue area from general to GI to neurosurgeries. Your job is to get the details right. You will need to know your CPT codes, modifiers, bundling rules, and most importantly, your anatomy. Every code matters here because one small mistake can mean a big denial or a lost revenue. Now let's move from procedures to patient risk. Coming at number 4, it's HCC coding, which stands for hierarchical condition categories. This specialty is all about chronic condition management and risk adjustment. You will work with Medicare Advantage plans, making sure the patient's full health picture is captured here. Your coding does not just impact reimbursement, it impacts how care is planned and delivered. And finally, let's talk about the front line of patient care, E&M and emergency department coding. This specialty will always be in demand, as you all know. ED never sleeps. With the recent updates to E&M coding rules, you now need to focus on medical decision making and time based coding. It's a fast paced, high volume, and ideal for coders who love thinking quickly and coding smart. So, whether you are just starting your career or you're looking to specialize, these areas will keep you relevant, valuable, and in control of your future. So, if you're serious about future proofing your career and making a meaningful difference, these are the places to be.